What's up, guys? Welcome to Shoot First. Kita nyo dyan si Juanito and our special guest for tonight. And malay nyo, succeeding episodes, Kiefer Ravena. Manong, congratulations muna. Like, on behalf of the
Yes,
SF
congrats,
community,
congrats. From the
congratulations.
Thank
Shoot
you,
First
thank you.
community. From the Shoot First
Salamat.
community.
Hmm.
Maraming salamat. At ito na yung bagong journey.
Yes. Ano gusto mo itawag sa'yo?
Okay
Manong
pa rin
Dad?
tayo sa Manong. Okay pa rin tayo sa
Manong dad
Manong.
na.
Eh. Parang,
Dad.
oo.
Manong Dad? Manong
Medyo,
Pops?
medyo ang hirap na ano dun eh. Hindi pa nga ako ready tawaging Papa Kif eh, or something like that. Parang,
Manong pa rin, Manong,
oo,
Manong.
stick tayo dun.
Stick sa branding.
Oo.
Yung nakita ko yung news yung unang pumasok, parang ano kayang tatawag na kay Keith? Pero hindi,
Yun, di
tama,
ba?
tama, tama.
Yun naman. Stay na muna tayo sa Manong.
Sige, Nix, I think special tonight. Actually, kating-kati na kami, no? We
Actually, yeah.
wanted, kami ni Nico, we've been talking a few days already. But we also wanted to get an insight from somebody else who's watching, of course, the PBA finals.
Yan,
No?
yan.
And for sure, Kuya Keith, updated ka. Ganda
Yeah,
ng finals natin so far.
yeah.
Actually, from the recent finals, this has to be one of my favorites. Low scoring, high
Uh,
intensity, ganda ng nangyayari sa
yep,
past
yep.
few games. So, tanong kita Kuya Keith, so far 2-1, talk and text. You watch the game 3?
Yes, I did. I was able to watch game three. Close game, breaks of the game, and I think like what you said, no, it's one of the most interesting talaga na
Mm.
finals in recent memory that we have. Maybe in the past, what, couple of conferences na talagang hindi mo
Hmm.
alam until the end kung sinong mananalo. So it's a good feat for the fans, most especially, 'di ba? Na-entertain sila sa ganung level ng basketball, and at the same time you get to see the players kung sino talaga yung uh, nag-rise above when the lights shine the brightest, 'di ba? So, 'yun.
Well, now ang first question ko, we saw the injury with JB.
Yeah.
No, and prayers up. We want the best for JB. We want the best series. We know
Yeah.
the JB versus Ronde match up
Side
is really
story. Yeah.
intense, diba?
Yeah.
But just let's say he's gonna miss 1 to 2 games. That's the minimum. What do you think yung kailangan ng Hinebra ngayon for
Well,
them to be able to match up with the high
yeah.
intensity of talk and text?
Yeah. So, well, okay, to make it simple, no, if JB misses a game, let's just put it this way, Hinebra can miss 30 points, 12 rebounds, and 8 assists per game. 'Di ba?
Re-replace mo. Yun yung,
You're,
yun yung
you're
hahanapin mo.
let's just say one game, you miss one game, you're gonna miss 30 points, 12 rebounds, and 8 assists. So maybe that's a total of what, 50, 60 points of your team from the assists and the total output of JB per possession offensively. And at the same time, bukod doon, you miss a leader.
Yeah.
Um, you'll miss somebody who's been there, done that numerous times in his career. Somebody who was actually nothing to prove to a lot of people. And lastly is you miss, like what he said, hindi natin alam yung output hanggang dulo. So you're gonna probably miss the biggest closer in your team. Di ba?
Exactly.
So,
Which
uh,
they obviously needed on that end game nung game 3. Diba?
exactly,
Hinahanap
di
nila yung
ba?
closer. Tama.
Di ba? Yung ganon. So, a lot of things not really falling into place for Hinebra. But with Hinebra naman, they're always known for the never say die attitude.
Yeah.
So, hindi mo talaga alam. But it's definitely gonna take another two or three guys stepping up. We all know what Scotty can do. We all know what Troy has to do. What Stephen Holt can do and contribute. But it's all the other guys who I didn't mention that has to step up. If there's a mandatory game that somebody has to step up, it's next game. It's tomorrow. Because, even if JB plays, hindi mo alam eh kasi yung injury niya, shooting hand,
Thumb, di ba? Thumb to
shooting
eh.
thumb niya, shooting hand. Of course, with thumb, your grip strength has to come a lot with that. Uh, Marami
Discomfort
pang
yan in 48 hours for sure.
discomfort. And at the same time, ikaw din, yung takot mo as a player, it's one hit away
Mm.
from being a bad injury that could end your career. I mean, knock on wood, di ba? Hindi naman natin gusto yon. But that's the reality. Di ba? That's the reality. So, even though I know that JB is capable of playing and whether isang kamay na lang yan nilalaro ni JB, babantayan pa din siya. Di ba? So, but again, it's the others. It's the others. And we all know Coach Tim isn't really known for a very long rotation. I mean, deep bench siya kung tutuusin. Marami siyang pwedeng ipasok pero hindi talaga, naglalaro ng matagal. So, that's a big question also. Will that change with
Mm.
JB's
Tama.
condition or will it stay the same but all the rotational guys has to step up. So it's going to be interesting. It's going to be a question that I feel like Hinebra has to answer very very soon.
Yung
Good.
sa akin naman ano eh, more of sabi nga ni Manong na the pressure yung mga the other guys. So sino ba yung other guys na yun? RJ Abarientos, Mavahan Misius kind of been under the radar, 'di ba?
Yeah.
3 points
Troy.
na siya last game, zero on the other, yung
Troy.
isa o two. And si Jamie Malonzo. So those guys, andun yung pressure sa
Jamie,
kanila.
Actually, Jamie, Mav, RJ, I say Japet also.
Yung Japet din eh.
Troy,
Yeah,
ako feel ko
also
Troy
Japet.
also.
More on Troy ka.
Troy
Yeah, more
also.
siguro Troy a little bit more offensively, because we have to understand if JB's there, that's Troy's position.
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
So he doesn't really get a lot of touches where he can create a shot of his own. But Ginebra is one of the best passing teams in terms of assists. So the ball finds Troy. And again, if you have a player like the magnitude of JB, which, you know, sucks all the defense, helps you kick out and collapse and drop passes for Troy, uh, that's where he gets most of his offense. But in terms of one-on-one, creating, Troy is really not known for that. But here na si JB medyo 50-50, let's say 50-50,
Mm.
it has to come from himself na I have to step up. I can't play the way I've been playing the whole conference. But I have to step up.
Speaking of step up, nung late game we were watching and one
This
guy
game
that you
3,
felt,
game 3.
yeah, game 3.
Mm.
One guy that we felt na wanted to step up was RJ Abrientos. But syempre, medyo nagkamali, no? He's a rookie. Medyo
Mm.
understandable. And then of course, being social media and being Hinebra, nagbabasa ako ng comments, parang syempre si RJ yung
Preto.
na ano,
Oh,
oo, 'di ba?
inaatake siya eh,
Parang
no?
ano ba
Yung
yan?
iba.
Ano ba yan? Hindi ka nag-iisip. Alam mo 'yun? It's common. It's social media. Siguro, kuya, as a veteran, di ba? Tagal na, you've been there, you've done
Yeah.
that. 'Di ba? Lalo na sa social media, mafe-feel mo 'yan. In
Aha.
a high pressure game like that, dapat ba kay RJ magbawas? Should he not listen? Should he listen and even, 'di ba,
Well,
adapt and
siguro
baka lang baka tama yung fans. What
in
can you say
the
with that situation?
in the first place, I think RJ is more than capable of contributing uh in situations such. You know, we all know what he can do, and I don't think he's allowed the narrative of okay lang yan, rookie pa lang yan, magkakamali talaga.
Mm.
I don't think he's allowed that narrative as an excuse. Knowing him, this is me knowing RJ.
Yeah.
Uh, from the get-go, alam kong china-challenge niya yung sarili niya uh, to perform. Kasi, syempre, like the last time Hinebra faced Talk and Text, it wasn't a good outcome for Hinebra and for him personally, individually. But, as tough as it may sound, experience is the best teacher. He has to grow, he has to go through it and learn. And of course, hindi lang naman ako yung magsasabi sa kanila na, hey man, just stay away from social media. Uh, I've made a lot of mistakes during the end game. It's not the best place to, I would say, dry your sorrows away.
Oh, the worst pa nga
Uh,
eh. 'Di
'Di
ba?
ba? So, 'di ba? So, especially, you're in that environment where you're in Hinebra. It might not be the best situation. So, you know, alam mo naman yan si RJ kasi minsan marami lang din talagang, when everything's on a high, when you're winning, makulit talaga yan si RJ, 'di
Mm.
ba? Parang
Ramdam na ramdam naman ng lahat
Ramdam
yun.
mo. Yeah.
minsan nagsasagot pa siya sa mga ibang fans. Ganyan talaga when you're high, but
Yeah.
this is when everything gets, dug up. When everything's on the low, when you're at your lowest, people try to hit you, put you even lower. So hindi siya maiiwasan kasi ganun talaga yung how social media works, 'di ba? Parang once you put it out there, it's gonna be there forever. So for him, just shut it out, play, perform, be you, be authentic, and just keep everything at present. Just always stay in the moment. That yun talaga yung kailangan niyang matutunan talaga.
So kung may papanoorin ka, RJ, yung shoot first na lang. Ito at
Ito na
least,
'yun.
'di ba? Uplifting, uplifting dito. Uplifting. 'Di ba? Si
Oo.
Manong na mismo nagsabi.
So
Shout out, RJ.
hindi ka namin dito ibabasher, 'di ba? So,
Oo, oo naman. Mahal natin yan. Mahal natin yan.
Mm.
Mahal natin yan si RJ.
uh,
But I do think, there's a little adjustment na kailangan ni RJ. But you love the guts eh.
well,
'Di ba?
well,
It's
the,
not,
well, the thing with RJ kasi parang I feel like he doesn't have to really try hard to be accepted in the Hinebra culture.
oo.
They have fun, play the
Yeah.
game, play the right way. He's a very smart and savvy player, but you don't have to please the fans. Like you don't have to play accordingly to the chance of Hinebra, 'di ba? Parang I mean, he's smart, he's good, he's a great player. We've seen glimpses of how he really is as a basketball player and stick to that, 'di ba? Yun lang, parang he doesn't have to prove anything.
Oo,
'Di ba? That's
totoo
where
naman.
the pressure comes in eh. Na parang you play to a certain standard na pag hindi mo nagagawa, the
Naano ka ng
pressure
fans,
piles on.
yeah.
Oh,
Mm.
kumbaga kinakain ka na ng sistema. 'Di ba? I
May
mean,
video, may video siya na ano na pinapagalitan siya ni Tim Cone. So ngayon,
aha.
yung
Yeah.
mga fans parang hindi ka kasi nag-iisip, blah blah blah, alam mo, ang dami sinabi. But it's normal. It's normal. Coach mo yan eh. Meron siyang bad decision, di sinunod yung
Yeah.
sistema.
Yeah.
Talaga mapapagalitan
I
ka.
mean,
But you
buti
keep
na
it.
lang hindi nakikita dito yung mga ano ng
Coaches.
coaches namin dito with our players.
Bakit? Ganun din
Personally,
ba? Mas ano ba dyan?
lalo na last
Mas
year.
intense ba?
Ah, well, oh, I would say yes, pero hindi naman well, hindi ko masasabing mas intense, okay? But siguro hindi natin malalayo yung competitiveness dyan tsaka dito. Everybody
Okay.
wants to win. But again, when it comes to what do you call this? Siguro ang pinaka lang is yung one thing that I've learned here is yung clash ng culture,
Mm.
'di ba? Kasi of course, yung mga iba mga European coaches like yung coach ko last year was Spanish and he's really
Okay.
passionate about it. And he's really passionate and the way we communicate is we actually yell at each other, scream at each other, but we all know it's coming from a place of love, 'di ba? So after that, okay kami, walang problema. David's my coach last year. He's one of my best friends out here. He's one of my best friends in life in general, not just a coach but also a brother. So that's where we build the relationship. Ngayon, coach ko si Coach Lassie, iba naman yung ano namin, dynamics namin. So, uh but the competitiveness will always be there. So, kung ano man yung ma-picture ng mga tao, ng media, ng mga kung sino man nanonood na
Mm.
pinapagalitan siya, I'm
Oo.
sure Coach
Tama.
Tim is coming from a place of love. He's coached the greatest of the greats in the PBA and At one point in time, kahit si Johnny Abariento siguro nakarinig din
Napagalitan
ng
din.
mura ni Tim Conso. Di ba? Kung Johnny A ka na, RJA ka pa lang, wala, anong mo, di ba?
Speaking of competitive,
Hmm.
punta tayo on the other side. Baka akala ng tao, Hinebra lang
Ginebra.
pag-uusapan natin
Oo.
today eh.
TNT
Another
naman.
guard that I wanted to talk about. He was being bashed as well nung semis. When Jason Castro went down, hindi pa masyadong maganda yung laro ni Ray ng Batak. But now Ray is stepping up to a next level na what did it score? 24? 26?
24,
24.
24.
24,
24.
5-7.
Diba? And I'm sure, Keith, nag-abot tayo eh. Batch ko si Ray eh. And you're just 2 batches ahead of us. So nag-abot pa kayo nito ni Ray. What can you say about the growth of Ray here in Talk and Text? He was like the third guard in Rain or Shine. Ngayon,
Aha.
given a new opportunity here in now stepping up in the finals as the main guard. Ibang level na yung game ni Ray eh.
Well, ganun lang naman din talaga eh. Parang at the end of the day, players, all they need is a good situation. 'Di ba? Like what you said, kabash mo si Ray. Ever since si Ray, star player na siya, Letran High School, 'di ba? Parang college, of course, you all know Ray. He's a very calm, controlled player, court general, great facilitator. But siguro sa first part ng career niya, it wasn't just really a good fit. Na-trade siya sa ibang team. We showed a little glimpse of that. Kung ano yung potential niya talaga. And then, ngayon na nasa Talk and Tech siya, learning from Kuya Jason and a lot of veterans out there uh in Talk and Text. Ang importante kasi nakakalaro ka sa mga ganung situations bago ka
Pressure
matuto.
situations.
Oo, kasi kahit anong sabihin mo, let's say all throughout the eliminations, you do this, you achieve whatever. Pagdating mo ng semis, finals, game 1, game 2, game 3, it's a whole different animal, 'di ba? Parang hindi mo talaga alam 'yan kung anong mangyayari talaga. So, unless you've immersed yourself in games, not game, but in games like those, doon ka lang matututo talaga. Doon ka lang talaga makakakuha ng kumpiyansa kasi nanggaling ka na doon eh. Alam mo na 'yon, 'di ba? So, hindi naman ako worried siguro. One thing that's going for Ray is veterano na siya. Veterano na siya. Alam niya na 'yan, sabihan mo lang ng isa, dalawang beses 'yan. I'm sure he's gonna respond right away.
The same thing with Ray. May nag-describe nga sa laro niya kahapon sa Pilipinas Live on It's. Kung yung pinapanood mo, legacy-defining game daw yung Game 3 for him.
Career defining
Career,
moments.
Mm.
career-defining moment na yun na siguro yung magta-turn ng how we would view ng
Totoo
Batak's
naman,
career in
bro.
the
Totoo naman.
PBA.
The three of Ray on the corner,
Mm.
that's not something you would see he would do when he was in
Actually,
Rain or Shine eh. Or pag nandyan si
actually,
Jason Castro.
actually, ang crucial kasi doon, Ronde wasn't playing his best offensively.
Di nga.
Ah,
More than the shot, it was the 21 points that carried that. Kasi, imagine, ganun kadikit yung laro. Second quarter, third quarter ba si JB nawala? Third quarter
third,
ata.
third, third,
Mga
third,
Di
third,
third,
ba?
third.
mga third, early third.
Di ba? Early third. Pero dikit. Dikit yung
Dikit,
laro.
dikit,
So,
dikit. Humabol si Talk and Text.
imagine, di ba? Imagine na kung wala yung 21 points. Let's just say Ray just scored his usual output of what? 7, 8, 9 points per game sa finals. It would have been a different story. Di ba? So, it was everything before that. Before the corner shot for me na talagang nag-ano kay Ray na solidify siguro na, he can do this too.
Yeah.
Something like that.
And so fun to watch a guard-oriented. Parang 90s eh. That's how they're describing it. Low scoring, guard-oriented. Then the imports are taking over. Pero just talking about the low scoring, how are you enjoying, kuya, yung low scoring finals? Kasi ako, enjoy talaga ako eh. Pag basketball body ka talaga, gusto mo yung low scoring eh.
Ako,
Kasi
Kasi
depensa.
every score
well,
counts eh. Every point
ako,
counts.
sanay ako dyan kasi dito ang average score mo siguro 70.
70.
Low scoring
Oo, well,
dyan.
pag umabot ka ng medyo mataas-taas ng 90, malamang tambak mo yung kalaban unless mga mag-overtime. Pero on a regular basis, it's really hard. It's really hard to score over, you know, 90 points here on the average.
Mm.
'Di ba? So, I see I see where it's coming from. The every possession counts talaga from each team. Kaya ganda, ganda. Like what you said, something new. It's not a offensive contest,
Oo.
'di ba? So, okay din. Okay din siyang look for the for the fans.
Just kasi when we started the 4-point shot, grabe yung scoring would go 120, 130.
Nagsimula, di ba,
Wala.
So
when
it's really an
taas-taas
offensive
mo.
game
Hindi,
eh. It's an
actually
offensive
wala
game.
kang tumitira eh.
Wala.
Mga,
4 points? No one
R-
mm.
once
si
attempted.
RJ pa lang ang
RJ.
nakakaisa pa lang eh.
RJ.
Game
RJ is
1.
attempting.
Pero other than that, wala.
Hindi
Maybe
siya, it's not the same finals.
maybe,
That's
maybe
for
they should
sure.
maybe they should take it out again.
Could be, di ba?
Pwede,
Could be.
experimental yung ngayon, di ba? Bago mag-50th.
Experimental ba naman? Experimental ba
Yeah.
naman?
I mean,
Di,
wala.
ako gusto ko sana mag one season muna si Keeps with a 4-point play. Gusto
Oh,
ko,
tsaka
gusto ko,
natagalin.
pag mga, pag
Ano
nakabalik in a
yun?
few years.
5 attempts per game.
Pagbalik niya, no? 4
Yun, pag
points!
nasabi na, mahirap pala talaga. Sige,
Drug
tanggalin na ulit
screen.
natin.
Drug screen lang ng drug screen. Tapos 4 points, 4
Pucha,
points.
konting under lang, yari na.
Oh, 4
Konting
points lang
under
yan.
lang. O ito, sige, pahirapan natin ng konti. Game 4. Game 4 prediction.
Ah, well,
Game 4 prediction.
napag-usapan kasi natin yan eh. Probably the prediction is, I would say, 70 to 80% will depend on how JB is, to be honest.
Okay.
Yun talaga. Like, how I would predict it, it's going to be how JB is. Yun talaga. Yun talaga for me. Kasi,
Yung sinasabi mo na JB has to be there. Na ganun.
well, on how he will perform.
If
Kasi,
ano, okay. Sige.
to be
How will
honest
perform.
to be honest, hindi ako magugulat kung maglaro siya.
May Willis Reed moment eh, no?
Hindi ako, hindi ako magugulat. Hindi ako magugulat. Pero, paano siya magper-perform will depend on that. 'Di ba? And probably sobrang bad timing lang. Dahil nandun sila sa situation na hindi nila afford ipahinga si JB ng one game and then look for the other para at least better makapagpahinga ng medyo mas matagal. Alam mo 'yon? If you get what
Mm.
I mean, 'di ba? Parang baka pwede 'yon. Pero hindi eh. Down ka na ng series 2-1, pagpapahingain mo ngayon, pag nag 3-1 ka na, fuck. Might as well sit him out the rest of the series, 'di ba? Parang ganon. For me, parang ganon siya. So, di natin alam. We might be wrong, but who knows, JB is full of surprises. He's done it numerous times in his career na he's just gonna ball out whether he's hurt or not.
Dagdag ko rin to.
Nag-abot na ba kayo ni JB? I'm just curious. Nag-abot na ba kayo ni JB sa Gilas?
Oo nga pala.
Gilas, oh,
Nag-abot
Okay,
sila.
so can you talk a
Ah,
little bit about the heart of
mm.
JB? Will he play
uh,
this? Just on a gut feel level?
oh yeah, for sure, 100%.
Lalaban to?
100%. Oh,
Lalaban to?
100%. A
Do
hundred
you think,
percent he's gonna play.
if hindi for whatever reason, hindi na natuloy si JB, do you think na Ginebra should look for another import or go all Filipino all the way? Kasi diba yung mga usapan ngayon na, how about
I'm
we
just
consider
curious. Can
this
you
guy?
still bring in an
No,
import
no, no, no,
nowadays?
not
Wala na,
anymore.
di ba?
Not anymore. Not anymore.
Championship na eh.
Not anymore. You can't bring a. I think meron lang last yan eh. Last lang na
Oo.
deadline to change
Window.
an
May
import.
window.
Yeah. Yeah. I think it happened before, but because it was the replacement in, 'di ba kunyari, let's say uh JB was hurt at somewhere in the eliminations, and then nagpalit ng import si Ginebra. JB was just at the injured list. And then nagtuloy-tuloy nag-finals, import B gets injured. Dahil nasa injured list na si JB, I think pwede yun bumalik.
Hindi
Pero
yung
wala
out of
naman.
nowhere.
Wala, hindi ka pwede, kumbaga, para may direct hire ka, di ba? Na,
Direct hire. Replacement eh, no?
oh, tsaka putsang, hirap din nun na, oh, gusto mo maglaro, finals na, game 4. Alam mo yun, di ba? Parang
Sinong
out
katapat?
of
Sinong
nowhere.
katapat? Ronde,
Sige,
Ronde Hollis
Ronnie Harris
Jefferson. Hindi,
Jefferson.
pass ako,
Tapos,
tol.
ano tayo, down na tayo 2-1. Tapos yung fans natin medyo makukulit, ah. So,
Ano, game?
kaya mo?
Alam mo ako
Ganun.
sinong, wala lang, sobrang random lang. The-drive ako kanina. Sabi ko, kung pwede pa magpalit ng import, andito kasi yung kapatid ni Ronde.
Si
Di ba?
Ralier.
Yung, si Relier. What if, di ba, matripan lang ng Hinebra, yan kaya kunin natin. At least, andito na siya. Alam niya yung
Ano
ano
yan,
ng
ano yan? Psych
PBA.
war. Psych war.
Di ba? Exactly. And alam mo yung term na yung kapatid mo lang ang makakastop ng ano mo.
Oh,
Sobrang
Na,
pang
psych
movie,
war.
no? Pang
di
movie
ba?
eh.
Oo. Panggulo lang. Pero I think it's not gonna, I mean, it's not
Yeah,
gonna
yeah, it's not
happen.
gonna
Masyado
happen. It's
malabo.
not gonna happen.
Pero when you're driving and then you're just thinking, what if? What if? But ako, I want JB to be 100%. I want this
Yeah.
I want this to be like a game 7 type of final
Mm.
series na ganito lagi yung laro na intense. Ganda eh. Ganda
Yeah,
panoorin. It's good for the fans. It's
for
good for the
sure, for sure.
community.
For sure,
It's
for
good for
sure.
the basketball community.
I believe
You
it.
know? I mean, I just want to shout out the whole sports community ngayon sa Pilipinas. Ganda ng PVL. Ang ganda ng
Shield din.
UAP. Ang ganda ng
Ah.
PBA. So, yung Sunday mo, busy ka maglipat-lipat ng channel eh.
Oo.
And it's so fun. It's so fun. I mean, that's what Sundays are for. Di ba? Yung balik natin yung pagmamahal natin for sports.
Actually, masaya din ako dyan kasi may napapanood ako after ng laro namin. So,
May masusunod ka pa eh, no? Mm.
I'm all happy when there's
Ano,
volleyball,
Pilipinas Live?
basketball.
Pilipinas Live ang ano dyan? Or
Oo. Kahit hindi nila ako sinusponsoran ng IE, kahit nagbabayad ako every month.
Baka naman,
Pilipinas Live.
Pilipinas Live.
Shout out. Pilipinas Live. Ma'am, kung sa mga boss ko po, si ano lang, 149 lang sponsor na si Keeper sa
I'm
ano,
just
sa
saying,
Japan.
I'm
Oh.
49
just
lang.
saying. Hey, $3 goes a long way.
Isang selfie lang ni Keeper watching Akari. Oh, di ba? Pwede na yun.
Tapos,
Oh.
Actually, yun, shoutout sa Akari, panalo sila ngayon lang. Fifth set
Panalo
lang.
Akari?
Panalo,
Nahabol?
panalo. Nahabol nila.
They were down 1-2. They were down 1-2
Yeah.
kanina.
So,
Shout out.
they won a long game. Kakatapos lang, alas 10
5
na dyan.
sets. 5 sets yan. Kung nanalo
Both.
sila.
Yung first game, 5 sets din, kaya ang tagal.
Shout
So,
out, shout out.
shoutout yan.
Mas
Shoutout
lagi
sa...
ko nga nakikita si Danny kasi nasa volleyball world din
Oo,
ako eh.
tama.
Sabi ko nga, weird, no? Ang tagal ko nang kakilala si 30 tsaka si Kuya Kif, pero ikaw na
Kayo pa
ngayon lagi ko
nagtatagpo.
nakikita.
Totoo. Pero
Pero,
yeah, it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be a fun series. It's gonna be a fun game 4. And I think, if Talk and Text gets a hold of this series 3-1,
wala
it's
na
really
talaga.
gonna be tough. It's really gonna be
yeah.
tough for Ginebra to tough. I'm not saying it's impossible. Don't get me wrong, Ginebra fans. It's gonna be tough. But
Nagdi-disclaimer na. Nagdi-disclaimer.
Disclaimer na natin. Kasi,
but
kasi yung mga Hinebra fans, bago mo sinabi yun, nakaganyan na. Oh.
I know
Nakaganyan na yan. Nakatredy na yan.
I
Magre-reply na
mean,
yan eh.
I know how you guys are. I know how you guys are, but I don't want that smoke.
Tama naman. I think if JP's gonna be out, it's gonna be a long road. But if they get it, isipin mo yung branding ng Never Say Die. And then
Mhm.
JB's there, magcha-champions, Scotty carries it, or let's say RJ, Troy
Redemption
steps
eh,
up,
no?
pucha, pare.
Kaka-redemption.
Matagal-tagal nating pag-uusapan yan. Magsasawa yung ibang PBA teams sa storyline na yan.
Pare-pare.
Mapapagod sila dyan. Kasi talagang,
Well,
talagang
you know,
pipigayin yung Never Say
at,
Die na
at
yan.
at the end of the day, it's their story to tell, whether they
Yes.
wanna tell it or not. They are, they're in this position already, and we'll see how things will unfold in what 48 hours.
Yes,
Less
yes,
than pa
yes,
kayo.
yes.
Next, ano na eh.
Less done, less done, less
Less
done.
Ayan,
than.
ayan.
Bukas na eh.
Bukas na.
But very exciting, very exciting. And I'm glad na finally natuloy na natin yung episode. Better, because it was supposedly me and Nico. And kanina umaga I said, Nix, sino kayang pwede nating isama na isa
Si
pa?
Manong,
Sabi niya,
bilis eh.
on top of
Manong,
his mind, si Manong ka siguro, Gio.
isa.
Oo, ano na ako. Ano nyo, special analyst.
Feeling ko ma-judge na kami kasi yung mga special analyst namin lagi Atenista eh.
Oo nga, no? Kailangan na
Simula
nagkakataon
inad
lagi.
namin si Nico, puro Atenista na yung special guest namin.
Eh,
Si
ba't lumalayo?
Bacon,
Ba't lumalayo ka pa? Di ba gusto mo naman ng ano, lalayo ka
Nasa
pa.
bakuran lang naman eh.
si
Diba? UP
Bacon,
Ateneo. Diyan lang naman eh.
si Bacon, si AB, si Kiefer.
Oo nga, no,
Parang,
puro
uy,
Atenista yung mga ano.
puro Ateneo nga yung mga natatawagan natin. Pero, love natin kasi yung mga yan, G lagi eh.
Si
Oo.
Manong
Parang
lagi available.
lagi naghahanap ng kakwentuhan. Pero
Oo, ano
thank you,
yun ako.
Manong.
I-invite nyo lang ako ng invite. Kasi na, boring ako dito. Wala din ako
Namimiss
Yan,
yun na
ginagawa.
yun
yan,
eh.
yan. Thank you, Manong. Thank you. Pero yun yung ano namin, guys. We actually nag-stick kami with one topic so that, you just get to listen to one topic rather than tumatalon-talon. And I think it's better for us. And I think, I want to thank Manong and congratulate again, Manong, sa
Thank
lahat ng shoot
you.
first. We want to congratulate Manong.
I
Good news
appreciate
on
it.
good news. And we hope to see you back here. Hindi tayo nakita nung ano eh. Hindi tayo nakita sa Japan. Hindi
Oo,
rin tayo.
basta ano, text-text lang.
Excited na ako eh. Sabi sa akin ni Keith, pagdating mo dito, ako bahala sa'yo.
Oo nga
Pakainin.
eh. Sabi ko, tas
Ah.
hindi na nag-update sa akin si Juanito. Sabi
Wala
ko,
na kasi nalipat kami
baka,
ng
ano,
Yokohama.
baka, it's either hindi na tuloy ito or nag-iba ng lugar. Ayun nga, tama nga ako. Nag-iba nga ako.
Iba ng lugar
Nagoya
nga.
kami, Nagoya.
Di ba, Ale,
Oh,
meron pang next time yan. May
yes,
next
for
time.
sure, for sure. Oh, any
Pero
shoutout,
ano,
Nick?
pero nung narinig ko yung budget nyo, hindi na ako malilibre.
Budget ng team
Libre.
yun. Budget ng team yun. Budget. Ako simple
Joke
lang
lang,
ako.
joke lang,
Simple lang
joke
ako.
lang.
Ano lang ako.
Joke lang.
Udon lang.
Joke
Tapos
lang.
yakisoba. Tapos
Ano
mga
lang,
dalawang strong zero. Dalawang strong
Lawson,
zero.
Lawson lang ang
Lawson, no?
tirada
Puchang
mo.
sarap ng
Yeah.
Lawson dyan.
Lawson ba kayo over 7-Eleven?
Pare, kahit
Lawson.
ano.
Over
Kahit
7-Eleven.
ano.
Shit. Family
Hindi.
Mart.
Family Mart.
Family Mart? Ito yung
Family
Family
closing
Mart.
topic
Mart.
natin eh, no?
Family Mart. Family Mart. Lawson and then 7-Eleven.
Oh.
Pero yung
Family Mart,
7-Eleven, meron ngayong shake na naka-ice na.
Oo.
Tapos
May
iaano mo
blender
na
na
lang.
doon. May
May
blender na
blender mo
doon.
na.
May
Pucha,
kanya-kanya
bro.
may kanya-kanya silang mga pakulo. So, like sa Family Mart kasi, masarap kasi talaga yung manok nila. So,
Tama,
okay,
tama.
chicken.
yung Family Chicken nila, yung mabibili mo lang sa ganun.
Family cheeky.
Tapos
May kasama
beef
rice?
Start.
Ha?
May kasama bang kanin?
Pwede kang bumili ng onigiri na kanin lang.
Tapos
So,
ano yung kinakain?
maramihan yun lang.
Nag-start yung episode, Hinebra, Talk and Text. Pero nag-end, lahat nag-book ng Japan.
Yan, talaga.
Wala pa tayong commission dyan. So, baka naman,
Oo.
Philippine Airlines, kung sino man.
Baka. Hindi, yun na nga. Panoorin natin yan. Tingnan natin kung ano yung susunod nating update sa
Yes, sir.
Gate 4. Tingnan natin
Okay,
kung
ikaw, Nick,
tama
any
ba yung
last
mga
shoutout?
predictions natin.
Yes, sir.
Wait lang. Actually, wala akong shoutout
Ako,
ngayon.
I wanna shout out Owen Suarez. Belated happy birthday. Hinebra fan yan. Just wanted to shout out.
Ay, di, meron
So,
pala. Si
yun.
Rama. Sa akin si Rama. Sabi niya,
Ayun,
tinanong niya ako
yun,
kanina,
yun,
may
yun.
episode ba tayo? Shoutout kay Rama. Ito
Yan.
yung episode na hinihintay mo.
Pag Hinebra kasi yung topic, dami nanonood bigla.
Sino
Kaya,
Rama to?
kalaro namin yan. Pag ano.
Okay.
Shout out, guys. And we do hope to see Keith again. But,
Yeah.
Game yan.
Nick, go ahead and close it for us.
Okay, guys. On behalf of Shoot First, Nico Rocha here with Juanito Gregorio and Kiefer Ravena. We'll see you guys next time. And peace.